Hi guys, welcome back to SR Customs. Wanted to show you what I had to do to get this 71 mounted into the dbxl that Big John D gave me. Hasn't been easy. Let me see if I can put a little more light on the subject for us. No, the lights are all the way up. Anyway, because the motor mount that usually bolts to, see, this is the motor mount that usually holds an engine in, and it usually bolts right here like that. Well, the bolts on the 71 on the fan cover, I have learned, are not the same distance apart. So, give you a look here. I couldn't bolt it on there. See? So I had to mark out and drill the chassis. I had to grind clearance in here for the pull start. Had to grind clearance here for the fan cover so that you've got room to adjust for your different pinion sizes. It's been quite a deal. Next, I have to make throttle linkage. Unless everybody knows of something that works that I don't know about, believe me, I could use it. Would help me out a lot. If you guys know about something, let me know. And I also had to cut this rear chassis brace. Nothing I could do about it. Had to get it in. So, but I think it's going to be worth it. I think it's going to be nasty in here. I'm going to do a full piston port job on it like I've been doing for customers and keep developing better and better timings. And I'm going to get a Samba ALX pipe for it, big boy pipe for it, so I can really, use what's available here once I add the transfer area and all that. So okay guys, just a quick video showing you what I'm up to. I took a break and started working on my own stuff. I do have KGM's 5512s long block all done now. You can see I got made a nice set of reeds for him. Machine opened up his reed block. I've stepped up to bigger head stud bolts. I was making these bolts and stepping them down. See how that's done there? So now I've gone up from 4 mil to 6 mil, and I'm running these bolts down through right here. See, there's no step down on them anymore, and which really seems to which is going to hold a hell of a lot better. You can see it in the cylinder right there. See, it runs from top to bottom. So he went with the DGI reed. It's really ported nicely. I got the boost port opening first before the rest of the transfers. So we'll see how all that works out. Got the SRE block that I make for the reeds on there. Gonna make, whoops. Well, I guess that's the end of this video, guys. Oh no, here we go. We're back. Camera keeps screwing up on me. I'm gonna make a piece here for his fan shroud, hopefully to help cool better. I'm gonna use his 71 pull start setup on here until his 71 is done. I guess that's what he decided. So we're gonna go from there. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. This is SRE. I'm out.